Hello, welcome back to Design and Tech Hub YouTube channel. I hope you're having a great time. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create an audio spectrum. But before diving into the video, if you are a new viewer, please kindly click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload an amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So just like I said earlier, I'll be sharing with you how you can create an audio spectrum in this video. In creating this audio spectrum, we'll be using two apps, the YouTube Music app and the ChkSnd app. This particular app you're seeing on the screen, where I'm pointing the arrow, and the YouTube Music app. This one, this YouTube Music app. We'll be using these two apps in creating the audio spectrum. So let's dive into the ChkSnd app to look at how it looks like and how we can use this app to create the audio spectrum. So once we get into the ChkSnd app, this is the interface you'll be having. This is the interface, the first interface of the app. So to use the app, you click on load music. Here is where we need the YouTube Music app. You click on the load music and the YouTube Music app opens up. Here is where you will select the audio you'll be using in creating the audio spectrum. Let's look for an audio we'll be using. So you select your audio. You select your audio. Once you select your audio, it returns you back to the app you're using. You can see we now have the audio selected and we have changed music. So the audio we'll be using is now selected. Looking at this, you can see we are having a background on the screen. So you just click on this icon. You click on this plus icon to create the audio spectrum. Click on this, then click on add spectrum. You can see we are having a white line on the screen. Let me play the music and you will see the reactiveness. As you can see these white lines on the screen. That is the audio spectrum. So if you want to change the audio spectrum, you can change the color, the background color as well. Just click on this plus icon. Click on this plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon, click on add solid. Then you can click on solid there. Then you can change the color of the audio spectrum. You can change the color to any color of your choice. You can see you can change the color to any color of your choice. So once you done changing the color, you can change the color of the audio spectrum as well. Just click on this. You click on bass AB line 64. That place I'm pointing the arrow at. Click on that. Then you can change the audio spectrum from being a line, from being in bass. You can change it to circle, and as well you can change the color for the audio spectrum as well. You can change the color for the audio spectrum as well. And see, this is the background. Then you can change the color for the audio spectrum. Just click on the color here, then the color of the audio spectrum will change. You can see as I'm changing the color for the audio spectrum. Let's play this and you see the reactiveness for the circle spectrum. You can see that. But looking at the reactiveness, you can see the line is flowing in and it's flowing out. So you can just change that by changing the side. You can see we have side here. We have side here where I take that stroke. This place you can see we have side. So just change the side. This is the A side. You can see it now. The reactiveness you can see the reactiveness is now flowing out. Once you select the B, the reactiveness will be floating in. You can see that the reactiveness is floating in here. So let's use the A side A. And as well, you can increase the thickness of the spectrum. You can see the thickness is now increased. You can see the thickness is increased now. And as well, you can the frequency bands where the lines increases, you can increase the lines. You can see the line is increased. You can see that once you increase the frequency bands, the lines increase, and once you reduce it, the line reduces. So that is how you can edit the audio spectrum. And as well, you can change you can add an image between your audio spectrum. Just click on this plus icon as well. Click on that plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon, you will see add image. Click on image, then your gallery will your folder will open up. You select any folder you have the image you want to use and click on the image. You can see this is the image I'll be using, so I will have to click on this mark icon to take it into the audio spectrum creating. So you can see the image has been imported into the audio spectrum app. So you can just reduce the image by reducing the width of the app, with the width here. So once you reduce the width, you can see the image is reduced. Then you use the position, you position it inside. You can see the image is now positioned inside the audio spectrum. So let's play the audio spectrum and see the reactiveness. So you can see that is how you can create your audio spectrum, edit the spectrum, then add the image into the video. Please, if you find this video helpful, please help the growth of this channel by clicking on the subscribe button, like and comment on the video. Thanks for watching.